Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is very close to my heart because as a college kid, I have always been vulnerable. I have always been very underconfident. I have always been, low on my self-esteem. I have always been unclear about what I really want to do with my life. And in college, nobody ever told me how to become a man who is respected by his peers, how to become a man who is respected by his parents and relatives, how to become a man who is successful and is capable of taking care of his family. I had to go through a lot of dark days, a lot of down times myself, and it is only now that I've realized what it actually takes to become a man who is respected in the society. And that is exactly what I want to talk to you about in this video. So, without wasting any time, let's dive deep. Now, a lot of you might argue that Akshat, why are you making it complex? Let's please keep it simple. मतलब तुम स्कूल में होते हो, तुम कॉलेज में आते हो, life happens, experiences happens, and gradually you turn into a man. Right now, it is only true up to an extent because if you actually observe the world, if you really look around you, you will find examples of a lot of men who just grew up. Okay, it's only their age that shouts that okay, I'm a man, I'm not a boy anymore, I have grown up and I'm a man, and nothing else. They are not financially stable, nobody is proud of them, and they themselves do not own the confidence that a man should have, and they earned no respect. So clearly there is a lot more than time that must happen in order for a broke college boy to become a man who is strong and is respected in the society. From my experience, here are four traits of a strong man whom you and I like to look up to. Number one, and probably the most important one, is accountability. Yet, ये समझो that as a man, you need to be accountable for your life. You need to hold yourself accountable for every good or bad thing that happen in your life. मतलब तुम्हारे डैड घर पे आके तुम्हें ऐसा तो नहीं बोलते ना कि यार बेटा आज खाने को अपने पास कुछ भी नहीं है क्योंकि बिजनेस में थोड़ी चीजें इधर उधर हो गई है और बिकॉज मेरे किसी एम्प्लॉय ने बिजनेस के अंदर कोई फकअप कर दिया राइट हैव यू एवर हर्ड योर डैड से थिंग्स लाइक दिस they never do that because they're accountable of their own life. They're accountable of everything, whether it be bad or whether it be good that happens in their life. And it is only when you hold yourself accountable for your life you become a man, right? You have to take accountability of all the good things. So if something good happens in your life, yeah, it happened because I did something great. Okay, if something bad happens in your life, you have to also hold yourself accountable for the bad things that happen in your life, because what happens with accountability is that you also get control. So if something bad happens in your life and if you think that you are accountable for it and it has happened because of your wrong deeds, now you also have control that okay, I can change my habits, I can change the way I work, I can change the way I look at life, and I can make my life better. I can change the course of my life. But when you keep crying, when you keep blaming people around you, your relatives, your parents, your surroundings, your environment, and your friends for all the bad things that happen in your life, you are essentially giving the control of your life. You're essentially passing the anchor of your life's boat to somebody else. And when you do that, it's almost impossible to become a man who is respected in society with that trait, right? So you need to be accountable. You need to hold accountability of everything that happens in your life. Number two is responsibility. I have realized that when you slowly grow up and you go from your college and you graduate out of the college, you get yourself involved in the real life in this capitalistic society, and you try to make money, you try to make connections, you try to network with people to kind of climb that social hierarchy. You also need to take responsibility of people that you love. Okay, responsibility of people around you, responsibility of your friends, responsibility of your parents, responsibility of your siblings, if you really want to grow into a strong and respectable man. Because you need something bigger, you need a why bigger than yourself to actually be able to get out of the bed and do the things every day that you want to do, and that would take your life on a completely different level. You need to take responsibility of your own life, you need to take responsibility of your health, you need to take responsibility of your relationships, and you also need to take responsibility of people that you adore, that people that you love, and people that you respect in your life, if you truly want to become a man who is respected out there in the society. Number three is chasing the hard path. Yeah, when you are in college, when you are out of your college, तुम realize करोगे, I can look back to it and now I can realize and I can confirm it that you will have to face hard situations, you will have to make hard choices, you will often find yourself standing on an empty road alone, lonely, and you will be given two choices. One would be the easy one would be the hard one. If you pick the easy choice, it would be comfortable, Nobody will tell you anything. Things would flow very smoothly for a short period of time, but you will never be able to break above your current circumstances, and you will never be able to break above a point, right? You will never be able to become financially free. You will never be able to have relationships that actually are healthy and that mediocre majority can only dream of, right? So you will have to take hard path. You will often need to make hard choices that will give you a lot of pain in the shorter term, that will give you a lot of discomfort in the shorter time frame. It will give you a lot of discouragement from people around you, from your parents and from your relatives in the shorter period of time. But if you truly want to become a man, you will have to take risks. You will have to choose the harder path. You will have to delay the gratification, and you will have to play the long game. And you will need to chase discomfort with grace. You will need to accept the chaos in your life. And if you do not do that, it is really hard to become a man who respects himself. And I believe that being confident and being able to respect yourself is more important than anything else. So always choose the hard path. If it takes you through discomfort for a shorter period of time, but it promises and it gives you certainty of some sort of a better life in the long run. Do not chase the instant gratification or the easy path when you're young and you're trying to become a strong man. Number 4 is asking hard questions. I have realized that it gets very stressful, and sometimes it gets very easy to just lie down in your bed and procrastinate on all the things that you're unable to find answers for. Okay, you might be sitting down today and you would be like, okay, I'm unable to make enough money, my relationship sucks, I do not like to do anything, I don't know what skill should I learn, I don't know what should I do, I don't know how to learn this, I don't know how to do that. Now, it's easy to lie on your bed and procrastinate about it and ignore all the things that you need to get better at if you really want to become a man from a boy. Okay. And you can only truly transform into a man, when you actually sit down with yourself and write the answers to hard questions. You need to answer hard questions. You need to ask hard questions to yourself. What type of a man do you want to become? What are the habits that you need to instill to achieve the goals that you really want to achieve? What are the things that you need to change in your relationships? What are the boundaries that you need to set in relationships to make sure that you have the best relationships out there? What is the value that you need to provide to the world in order to make the money that you aspire to earn? You need to sit down with yourself and you need to answer hard questions, because without answering hard questions, you will always remain a broke boy who would just kind of, hold other people, other factors and his environment responsible for all the bad things that happens in his life. And you cannot afford to do that, because real life, this real world is not a fairy tale. Okay, you come in the world, you graduate out of the college, and people are ready to destroy you, to run from beside you and kind of win the race, right? So if you really want to win the race of life, if you really want to be financially stable, if you really want to be in the best shape of your life, if you want to make sure that you are respected in this society, you really need to answer hard questions, because without hard questions, you will never be able to get clarity. And without clarity, you will never be able to achieve the goals that a man is supposed to achieve. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. और अगर तुमने वीडियो एंड तक देखा है तो कमेंट में मुझे लिख के बताओ cold. And I would know that you have watched this video till the end, so I can create more videos like this for you every week. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.